Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the COFFNIC Stanley lunchbox handmade wood tabletop with a 9.4-liter capacity. This beautifully crafted wood tabletop is designed to enhance your lunch setup with natural elegance and durability. The handmade construction ensures each piece is unique and built to last for everyday use. Its compact size fits perfectly on your desk or picnic table, making lunchtime more organized and stylish. Please note, the Stanley lunchbox itself is not included with this wood tabletop. Whether you're at work or outdoors, this accessory adds a touch of craftsmanship to your meal experience. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded lunch routine. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.